just in case. And those are machine washable. Here's another really interesting set, and it's a set, I'll show you over here, of 3 pitchers. And they are a little bit different in what they can hold. This is 18 ounces, that is 20 ounces, and that one is 28 ounces. You get all 3. And so we're going to talk about why, but there's that woodland design in the taupe. So if you want the woodland in the taupe, you can do that. Here's another one of the woodland in the white right there. And of course the polka dot in that beautiful taupe. Okay, let's go through colors. Here we start with the Old World. That's confetti with all the different colors. Here it is in black. There's your eggplant purple, the blue. Look at how pretty that taupe is. There's the red, or the cranberry, excuse me, next to the red to the green. Now we come down front. We've got the polka dot in the taupe and the gray. We have the 3 colors in that woodland pattern, which gives you the look of like the rings in a tree and that type of thing. We have the white, the taupe, and the gray. And then we get to the floral lace, and we have the gray, the black. Here it is in that cobalt blue, chocolate. Here's that eggplant purple, and then there is the cranberry. Here is the green. There is the red. Okay, let's talk, Tara, why would we need all 3 pitchers?
So what I love about these mini pitchers, Mary Beth, is that there's so many great uses for them. I'm actually making a little mimosa that I already did. So maybe this is one that you're going to keep at your bar. And maybe you have a little bit of your Bloody Mary, you have a little bit of your mimosa, and then you have a little sangria. So you have 3 individual pitchers. Think about them for syrup. Think about them for milk in the morning with your cereal. They're beautiful. Think about putting some flowers in them.
Yeah.
Everybody needs a pitcher. So the fact that you have 3 great sizes, 3 different shapes, gives you that nice layering down the center of your table. Great capacities that you see there. Notice how I've just set them out on our counter saver that we've been sharing with you, and how everything coordinates and looks good together. Syrup on your waffles, because you can go ahead and put them in your microwave. Look at how great this is. I can just go ahead and put that syrup all over my Belgian waffles.
I love those.
Look at that. Isn't that great? And I heated that in my microwave, all individually hand painted. So when you think of all the different things you could use mini pitchers for, these are no-brainers, from vases to beverage holders to, of course, your hot and warm syrup.
And here's the other thing, too. If you look at the flowers, we actually did flowers in all 3 pitchers, which is just gorgeous. I mean, whether they're big flowers, little flowers. And this is customer top rated, which is why you are seeing a lot of great reviews at the bottom. You know, this one says, I just received these, got cranberry Old World, and loves it. I was just taking this off so you can see. You could like put your celery sticks and your carrot sticks. Here I've got gravy to go over the meat. Here it is, if you're gonna have a ice cream bar, and you could have caramel and chocolate and raspberry or strawberry, and even have it heated up. That alone makes me want to have this set, because it's hard to heat up that fudge chocolate or the caramel or the, you know, strawberry sauce. So these are really nice. Let me just remind you, 5 easy payments goes away at the end of the day today. Customer top rated. You get these home for $6.60 a month. And they're also great gifts if you wanted to break each one into a if you wanted to give each one as a separate gift, you could do that. That'd be about $11 each. Check it out on QVC.com for the colors that we have. We've got a big red truck coming up. I love this red truck. It is fun. Ooh, and they made a hot dip too. By the way, just like Tara brings us